Do you have credit issues and not sure where to start? I know, it's a lot of stuff. Maybe you're looking to purchase a home in the future and are trying to prepare. Or maybe you've been told you don't qualify. Don't worry, I'm Teresa Timms, the SoCalLoanPro.com and president of TDR Mortgage in fabulous Upland, California. I'm going to help you understand what a mortgage lender is looking for so you can make your dreams of home ownership come true. Welcome to part 2 of the Hot Home Loan Credit Series, How to Improve a Low FICO Score. Ask yourself this question: can you pay off all of your collections and get caught up on your bills in 2 years? If the answer is no, you should seriously consider starting over and filing bankruptcy. Did you know you can buy a home only 2 years after filing a Chapter 7 and just 1 year after a Chapter 13? Businesses do it all of the time. There's no shame in getting your financial house in order. Call me for a referral to a local attorney to help you evaluate your options. If your situation isn't that serious, then I have a 5-step plan for you to follow. Step 1, do not be late on anything. Demonstrate your ability to pay your bills on time. You will do that by having no open collections, a few open credit card accounts, and an installment account. Ideally, you'll have no lates in the last 12 to 24 months. If you do, we can attach a reasonable excuse if they make sense. You can buy a home as long as you meet the minimum credit score requirements. Everything I'm going to share with you today will raise your credit score. Step number 2, pay off all your collections. Start with the little ones first and get as many paid as quickly as possible. When paying off collections, I advise you to call the creditor to negotiate to pay less than the full balance. They will tell you it will report as less than the full balance, but it doesn't really matter. It's a paid collection either way. If paying less than the full balance though, make sure you get it in writing from the creditor that they will accept the lesser amount. This will protect you from paying the lesser amount and then it's showing up later as an unpaid debt. This does happen, but if you have it in writing, it's an easy fix. The one thing I hear about collections a lot is, if I wait, it will fall off, right? Well, what I say to that is, if you owe it, just pay it. The value of having good credit has much more value than getting out of paying a debt. Step number 3, rebuild your credit. Once you've cleaned house, you can start rebuilding your credit. If your credit is bad, you'll probably only qualify for a secured credit card. A secured card is like borrowing your own money. For example, you pay a $500 security deposit, secured card, and they give you a $300 credit line. Do not, I repeat, do not max these cards out. You have to turn over a new leaf now that all your collections are paid. If you cannot afford to pay cash for the item, you can't afford it. These cards are only to rebuild your credit. If maxed out, they actually hold your credit scores down. Step number 4, have open active accounts paid on time. 2 to 4 high limit, low balance credit cards, an auto loan and an installment loan if possible. Think fixed payments over a period of time, such as furniture or jewelry. Step number 5, get a cash installment loan or have a family member co-sign for you. It has to be a loan that reports to the credit bureaus. If you can borrow, say, $2,000 to $5,000 and pay it back right away, except for $200, you'll have a high-limit, low-balance trade line that will sit on your credit and have a hugely positive effect. There's never been a better time to purchase. For more information, pick up the phone and call me at 909-920-3500. Ask for Teresa Timms, the SoCalLoanPro.com. If you're visiting me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe on the right. Until next time.